It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.
So I'm going to do a video on basically an unboxing and a look at the iPad Air. This is the iPad Air 13-inch M2 chip, Wi-Fi only, no cellular Wi-Fi, 1 terabyte blue version of the iPad. And it's an open box, you can see with the tape. I'm doing a video on the quality of the open box from Best Buy, and it just says open box, doesn't say anything else. And the cost for it, which I thought was reasonable for the 1 terabyte version, was $687.99. So I'm hoping that the iPad is in good condition, the iPad Air, and we'll see if it is or if it's not, and we'll go from there. I'll unbox it, show you the inside, and then I'll set it up, use it for a while, and then I'll come back and I'll finish the video letting you know my experience with it, with open boxes from Best Buy. So I just opened it. The screen looks great. Not on, of course, but it looks like it has a screen protector. Came with a screen protector. Because I could. Yeah. Came with a screen protector, which is fine with me. I'll keep it on. But the screen looks good. I looked it over. Now let's just look at the sides. And I think this is the power / fingerprint sensor, or fingerprint for security, like the Face ID. Fingerprint ID. Volume up and down. USB-C. No dents, no nothing. It looks good. No issues. Now, look at the back. It has the thing for the alternate connection with the keyboard. And it says iPad Air there. And the back itself looks great. No, it doesn't look like it has any issues. No scuffs, no marks. No scuffs, no marks. No scuffs, no mark. Looks good. Yeah. No complaints. I like it. All right, let's turn it on and see how it works. This is just the rest of the box. There's nothing else in here. I didn't get any charger. It's an open box. I don't know how the iPad Air usually comes, but there's no charger, no cable, no nothing came with it. It doesn't open. Okay. So this is all I got with the usual manuals and information. Let me just. Oh, see, it just came with this. Nothing else in there. And, I'm gonna set it up, try it out, let you know how yay or nay, make sure that everything works. I'll come back in a few days and let you know how I feel about it. Open box, pretty good savings, I believe. I think even used, it runs about $1,000. So I think it's a good purchase. Okay, let me come back. It's been over a week and I'm really happy with it. I've been using it. I set it up. I copied or duplicated my old iPad, which was a iPad Pro 13-inch. I bought the Air because my thing is more the concern of the size. I like the size. It's perfect for me. And I just wanted to make sure this was as beefy. I do work on the iPads, but not video editing. I have a computer for that. I do some photo editing, but not really like major stuff that will require the iPad Pro. Plus the iPad Pro 13 inches so expensive. So getting this at the price I got it, it really works for me. My iPad Pro is having some mechanical issues, I think. So I bought this just in case. I was able to duplicate all the stuff from a backup, and it's working just like my other iPad. I have a lot less space here. This is 1 terabyte. The iPad Pro is a 2 terabyte one, but it looked like I was only using just under 500 gigs, so it wasn't a big deal. So I have enough space to do what I have to do, and it really fits my daily task. I've been just using this. I put the iPad Pro to the side to see how well I do with this one, and no complaints. I really, really, really like it. This is the M3 keyboard. I've never used a white Magic keyboard, so this is going to be interesting to see what happens with this thing. I'm always feeling I'm going to dirty it when I put it down. It's going to get dirty. So hopefully it stays as white as it is. I purchased the keyboard. It was also an open box at a very good price as well. I did another video on that. The keyboard cost me $200 and the iPad Pro just under $700. 13-inch, 1 terabyte M2, which I thought was a great price. So after a week, I'm very happy with it. It takes some getting used to. I don't know why Apple went from the Face ID to the fingerprint sensor, which is over here on the power button. I don't know why they went to that. I like the Face ID. I guess it was easier, lazier. It's much easier to set up, to require Face ID to open apps and stuff like that. And it keeps, I like it because if I hand it over to my kid, he can't get to my messages or my email or anything without my face. I set this up with the fingerprint one, but again, it's, I guess, a first world issue. I have to pick my hand up and from the keyboard to put the fingerprint on it, or I have to put the passcode into it. And they moved the camera from the iPad Pro. I have the 5th generation. It used to be here. Now it's up here, which I think is a much better place for it in the top middle. And besides, so that's going to take some getting used to, but it'll be fine. I like it. I really like it. It hasn't slowed down. It works. The Wi-Fi is a much more advanced Wi-Fi. I think I forget the exact. Let me. My iPad Pro 13-inch 5th generation has Wi-Fi 6. This one comes with Wi-Fi 6E. So with the iPad Pro, I get maybe 600-700 megabytes up and down. I have a 2 gig ISP. This gives me over 1,000 megabytes up and down. So it's faster in regards to connecting to the internet. So that's a plus as well. But the biggest plus is the price. I'm really happy with the open box. It came in very good condition and I got no complaints. I love Best Buy. I love their return policy as well. They don't really ask any questions. You're not satisfied, they'll just take it back. So I'm really impressed by that. So I love the iPad, and I hope this video helps in you making decisions. Again, this is my own unprofessional review. I don't suggest it. This is my own personal item I purchased for myself, and I'm just giving you the information, sharing the information regards to this recent purchase that I made. So I hope the video can help in you making a decision. Please, thank you for watching the video.
Make sure to like and subscribe.